Hey everyone, this is 3 recordings of Mighty Holler. This over here is Brandywine. Hello. Who's that over there?
Joshua.
Hi Josh.
Who are you?
I'm Michelle. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I will build my nest in weeping willow tree with that bush and up under me. I will never build my nest on the ground. I will never build my nest on the ground. Build my nest in a weeping willow tree with that bush and up under me. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I will build my nest in weeping willow tree with a bad boy and a bottom. Come on, bad boy. I will never steal honey from a bee. I will never steal honey from a bee. I will steal me a kiss from sweet darling's lips. Lie away across the sea. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I'll build my nest in weeping willow tree with a bad boy and a bother me. Come on, Brandy. I will never build my nest on the ground. I will never build my nest on the ground. I will build my nest in weeping willow tree with a bedroom and a bother me. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I'm as free little bird as I can be. I will build my nest in weeping willow tree, bedroom and a bother me. I will build my nest in weeping willow tree where the bad boys can